The sun had barely crested the horizon when Riley unlocked the doors of her small but bustling mechanical workshop located on the outskirts of the sleepy town of Maple Hollow. Though modest in size, the shop was a haven for both seasoned professionals and curious novices eager to dive into the world of mechanical structures. Inside, an impressive array of equipment awaited the day's lessons. Large milling machines hummed faintly in expectation, while 3D printers sat ready to transmogrify filament into intricate mechanical parts. Workbenches were lined with neatly organized tools: wrenches, screwdrivers, pliers, and more. At the center of it all sat Riley's pride and joy, an interactive holographic display where mechanical designs could be visualized and played out in high-definition animations. Today's class was a mixed group with Amelia, a student engineer with dreams of working in aerospace, Marco, a retired Army engineer with a passion for clockmaking, and Ella, a high school student with an aptitude for robotics. Riley greeted them with her usual contagious enthusiasm. Welcome back. Today we embark on creating a simple mechanical arm, but I promise you, the principles you learn can be scaled up to any mechanical marvel you dream of. As the group gathered around the holographic display, Riley began explaining the day's project. The display came to life, showing a virtual model of a mechanical arm in motion. Gears interlocked, pistons moved fluidly, and the arm meandered through a range of motion, all carefully detailed in animations that broke down each mechanism. The beauty of mechanics, Riley explained, gesturing to the projected components, lies in understanding how these interdependent parts work together to create motion. So, today we will build it step by step. Amelia admired the precision of the 3D animations, appreciating how the visualization made complex concepts clear. Marco marveled at how modern technology made once complicated engineering ideas accessible to everyone, while Ella couldn't wait to get her hands dirty with the assembly part. As the day progressed, each student placed components in a designated space and meticulously assembled them. Occasionally, they'd refer to the application's animations that demonstrated precise movements and connections, with engaging video clips explaining potential errors and solutions. By mid-afternoon, the workshop resonated with a happy whir and click of completed structures. The students stood around a table where their collective creation, a fully functional mechanical arm, stood operational. Smiling with pride, Riley remarked, "The real magic, though, is not just in building but in understanding the harmony of mechanical motion. You've all done fabulous work today.